If you've ever wanted to learn traits of high quality trade setups, then you want to stay tuned to this video. Alrighty, everybody, coming to you with another video. Today I wanted to talk about high quality traits for trading and Forex and some things that can possibly help you look for better setups or taking, higher quality trades in your Forex trading. So let's get right into this. There's quite a bit to cover, so I don't want to keep you here all day. So there's some things that you want to look for, of course, trading with the trend, identifying key levels. So I've kind of made a little step-by-step sheet here, and we're going to look at this. I'm on the free version. I really use MT4 more, so I kind of do my analyzing on the on TradingView. So I just kind of block this off. But the first thing we want to do is draw a trend line. Here we had our second point to draw our trend line. So the first step is to find a point where the where the trend is going in and hits the trend line. So we're looking for possible entries here. So right here, as you can see, we hit the trend line, and then the second step is identifying key levels. So we have some key levels on here. I've also drawn fib levels, and as you know, the 50 and the 61.8 is kind of the zone that you want to look for your retracement to be ready to enter your trade. So here we have it, and I'm going to go ahead and pull this back. Actually, I'm just going to go ahead and delete this. Let's see here. So here we had hit the trend line. We are at a level of support, and then it becomes resistance. So I probably wouldn't have taken this trade right here because you want your patterns. You want to identify the candlestick patterns and, the trend confirmation and all the rest. So now that we're here in this area, we're going to concentrate right here, and I'm going to zoom in some. All right, let me zoom in a little. So now, as you can see, here we hit our trend line. We are at the 50. We are at a level of support, and we're in between the 50 and the 61.8. So this is a great place. We see that this pushes through, it retraces, and hits our level of support that now becomes resistance. So this would have been a great place to take your trade. We still have momentum going. You can tell that by the Bollinger Bands down here on the TDI. And this trade would have turned out to be, well, let me move this up some first. All right, let's get rid of that. This trade would have gotten us, if we entered here, let me grab this again, would have gotten us almost 70 pips. It's not a bad trading day there, especially in a matter of a couple hours. So let's pull this up again. We're identifying key levels of support and resistance. The trend line crosses with the key level and the trend line. Yes, it does. Here we touch the trend line one last time. We are in between the 50 and the 61.8. So our area of confluence, everything lines up. We have 5 reasons right now to get in this trade, which is pretty good. You can't be 100%. But we are looking pretty good so far. So this is where I think on this second candle I would have entered this trade because all of my confirmations now are lining up. I have a longer video that I'm going to do going over high quality traits for trading, but I just wanted to show you this. So now a lot of people always wonder where to get out. So you could do this one of 2 different ways. We're getting in here. So we could have our first TP would be 20 pips at the 0.786. Then our TP2 could have been at the 1.0 level or the 100% level. And TP3 could have been at the negative 1.27 level. So there's 3 TPs. Or you could do it by your major support and resistance lines. So the first spot being, I wouldn't have just gone 13 pips. The first spot would be this fib level right here, this support resistance zone here for 30 pips. The second one for roughly about 50 pips. And then the third one, as you can see this yellow line I have marked up down here, for almost 75 pips. So these are things you want to look for. Let me pull this chart up one more time, and I'll put it in the center of the screen. When you're looking for high quality traits for trading, trade with the trend. Identify your key levels. If they do they reverse there? Trend line crosses with the key level. And then I forgot about the moving averages. I'm going to add those in now because the moving averages also cross over right there. As you can see, here's our level, our area of confluence, and it is hitting it right at the 50 at the trend line and with a moving average. That's a great some great trades for our area of confluence for high quality trades. So I'm going to spread this out a little and open this up one more time. If you're looking to learn Forex, I actually have my own Forex Academy, and that link will be down below. If you want the link to the video, by all means, the longer video. Actually, there's a channel that has a video already. I think I'll just put the link to that down below so you can go watch it, because the guy really goes in depth. So that's some areas of high quality traits and things to look for in your trading. I hope this helps you, and I hope to see you on the inside of Wealth Transfer Movement. Have a great day.